Hi, I'm Bertrand Maltaverne. I have been asked to give what would be my big idea for procurement. And before I do that, I would like to thank Procurers for organizing this Big Ideas Summit and to be somehow part via this video. So I've been working in procurement for now more than 15 years, somehow as a practitioner, and since 1 year as both a consultant for Alengis and also as a program manager for the provider Pool4Tool. And my big idea is related to the use of technology in procurement. And there are two sides to that idea. The first side is like a wish, like a dream, related to procurement practitioners. And the thing is, I believe that procurement is still far behind some other functions when you look at digital transformation. And my big idea is that really procurement should look at it seriously and unlock all the benefits of using technologies. The other part of that big idea is more towards providers of such technologies. And my big idea is that they should really look into simplifying their solutions, looking at what we all use every day in our personal life. I'm thinking about Google's, Amazon's, and the likes. Too often is the technology you use at work far behind those simple, easy, fun to use solution. So that's it. So enjoy the Big Ideas Summit. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.